Hey everyone, it's rainy season, and if you get wet, Swasthayu Ayurved advise you some tips to stay healthy. First, wash your hands and feet with warm water. It's super important. Make sure to wipe yourself down from head to toe. No one likes being cold and wet. Next, change into dry clothes. Trust me, you'll feel so much better. Now, take a bit of warm oil and apply it to your head, hands, and feet. This simple trick can help protect you from getting a cold or cough. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the rain.